When searching EBSCOhost databases, you can browse the subject terms authority file to perform a search for articles using specific subject terms. In this tutorial, we look at how to browse for subject terms and add them to your search to find articles in EBSCOhost. To begin, click the Browse by link and select Subjects in the drop-down menu. Or, if you are on the Advanced Search screen, simply scroll down below the guided style search boxes and click the Subjects tab to access the subject's authority. Please note, if you are searching multiple databases, you see subjects lists or thesaurus I for individual databases available in a drop-down menu. In this case, you would select the subjects list or thesaurus that you would like to browse. For example, Academic Search Ultimate, Subject Terms, or the Business Thesaurus. Enter your terms in the Subject Terms search box and select a display option from the available radio buttons below the field. Select relevancy ranked or term begins with. Click the magnifying glass to view your terms as they appear in the subject authority file. Related subject terms are displayed in a list. Click on a subject term to view any available scope notes, broader terms, narrower terms, or related terms. To run a subject search against the database, check the box for one or multiple terms and click the Add to Search button. When you select multiple subject terms from the list, you can add them to one of the search boxes joined by a Boolean operator such as and, or not. Make your selections, choose a Boolean operator from the drop-down list, and click the Add to Search button. In this example, we select a single subject term and click Add to Search. The term is added to the first search box. Next, we'll search for another subject term to add to the search. Enter new terms into the search box and click the magnifying glass. Check the box for the subject term to be added to the search and click Add to Search. The subject term is added to the second search box. You can change the Boolean operator combining the search terms using the drop-down menu next to the search box. Select to join the terms using and, or not, and click the search button to run your search. From the result list, you can narrow your results using the limiters, source types, and facets by clicking the All Filters button. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.